Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's new topic is how to make coco peat, and this you can see over here. This is a dry husk of coconut, and this they will produce in large quantities, and then this will be collected and they will make a pit, and then in that pit what they will do is they will collect this dry husk of coconut, and they will just dump it in that, and then they will put sea water or any salty water, and for that, and then next they will make into this brick. This you can see, they will just convert this into like this. And this coco peat, why we will use in gardening, why it is like so trending nowadays, because this coco peat is used in making nurseries, and this will make the pot lightweight, and this will retain water for a long time, and this is very helpful in water drainage also. And then it is also used in like hydroponic system also. So now I will be this is a 5 kg coco peat block. So I have taken a big tub over here, you can see here. So you can use a big tub to dip. We should dip this coco peat to remove the salt content in that, and then after removing the salt content we can use it. Or else if we don't wash it, and then we will just make it a powdery form, and then we will use it, then there is no use of it, so it will be harmful for the plants. So now I am going to dip this in the tub with the full water. Now we are putting this in the tub. So guys, you can see that I am just pouring water through the pipe. So this will expand slowly, this will expand, and this will be 2 times of this. So you can soak it for around 30 minutes to 45 minutes, so that all salt content is removed. So this will slowly expand. So guys, we have just kept the block inside the water. So now it's expanding slowly. So now it will be absorbing the water, and it will keep expanding. And after 1 hour we will just squeeze coco peat, and then we will spread it in the sheet, and then we will dry it up. So guys, after 1 hour the coco peat has completely soaked, and it is ready for squeezing it out. Squeezing water. So tightly squeeze it. Just keep it in the tub. This is a little bit it will take much time, but it is worth it. So guys, now we are going to dry up the coco peat. We have spreaded the paper on the floor, and now we are going to spread it. So guys, now we have spread the coco peat in the paper, on the paper, and then after drying up, you can just store it in the bags or any polythene covers, and you can use it anytime whenever you like it. And then this is actually a good product of gardening, and make sure you use it, and please like, share and subscribe my channel.